It was January 1923. The First World War was over. The Second Industrial Revolution was underway. Electric energy was transforming the economy. At 101 Varick Street in Lower Manhattan, Morton Berry Turtle and Bill Hughes started an electrical supplies company using startup capital provided by Morton's wife, Ethel McNamara. And so began the story of Turtle and Hughes. We built our reputation on our commitment to providing exceptional service, representing the best manufacturing partners, and by serving as a true partner to customers. By consistently investing in our people, we have created a culture that questions the status quo and rethinks industry norms. Our early successes included projects that helped lay the foundation for modern American industry. As mass production of cars created a greater need for petroleum, Standard Oil became one of Turtle and Hughes' largest customers. During World War II, Turtle and Hughes supplied many of the electrical devices to customers building equipment for the war. Throughout the following decades, we have continued to innovate and disrupt. Our accomplishments include transforming older buildings to be smarter and better equipped for the future, digitizing the New York subway system, future-proofing industrial networks to enable mobility and real-time diagnosis, expanding partnerships to innovate globally. Today, Turtle and Hughes continues to be a pioneer in the engineering of power distribution, automation, lighting, and energy. The services and solutions we offer are world-class and fueled by our product expertise and our entrepreneurial spirit. As businesses all over the world navigate the digital revolution, we're embracing instruments of change, smart technology and connected sensors, the Internet of Things, drone technology, robotic machine learning, and artificial intelligence. We are synthesizing these technologies in order to build a Turtle and Hughes for the future, adapting to the dynamic demands of the Fourth Industrial Revolution. We are working to build a technology platform that is aligned with the demands of a new breed of customer. Our customers are transforming, and so are we. We are always innovating. We are always collaborating. We are always powering the way forward. Together, we are Turtle and Hughes.